Welcome to Feature Friday, where we explore all the cool functions of our Roof Wizard software. Real quick one for you today. Let's look at the situation where we're importing an underlay image, a PDF document, in this case of a floor plan, and we wish to digitize. Now, when you go to construct roof, track outline, I've already scaled it, so I don't need to do that. When you go into the digitize mode, you've got the option of digitizing the walls or the eave. So let's all the dimensions relate to the wall outline, so we can use the wall outline, which is probably the best way. But what I want to show you, because it seems that some people didn't realise, but when you digitise freehand, you can be plus or minus a few mil out, but since there is an actual dimension there, you can type it as you go. So instead of doing entirely freehand, you can actually, once you've started your outline, use the dimensions that are displayed. So I can go left 1800 there, and then I might come down here, and according to that, I need to come down 7100 plus 1300, and you'll note what's going on as I type that on the keyboard. The information's going into the prompt area at the top left, so down 7100 plus 1300, and I'll hit enter. Bam, the line goes in, and it is exactly the same as the plan. So you can do that, and the advantage of doing it this way is that as you create the outline, using the dimensions that are described on the plan, you're seeing that it's 100% correct. So in this case, I'm just going to do freehand, and then from here I just want to right button and close square, and this is going to be a tile roof. Pitch is 25, and the overhang, let's measure the overhang. The overhang from the brickwork to the eave is about 5 something, let's make that 575. And the gable overhang, we better measure that while we're at it. Gable overhang from there to there is about near enough to 300, so we'll go 300. And then we hit OK and vertical plane on that end, and yes, and continue. Beautiful. So the purpose of this little instruction is that when you're digitising, use the dimensions if they're provided, and if it's easy enough for you to get the shape you want. But most important of all, with the underlay, you're seeing the result, and it's sort of giving you an extra check that what you've created is correct. And as you can see there, not only is my model right, it matches the architect's plan. That's beautiful. Okay, that's all for Feature Friday for this week. We'll catch you soon. Have a great weekend, and bye for now.